Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. In this video, I will show you how to solve phpmyadmin error in XAMPP server. So just start your XAMPP server here. Here click on start for MySQL also. Now try to access phpmyadmin in XAMPP server. So it is showing error here. Open the drive where your server is installed. Here you can find the folder XAMPP. In that open folder phpmyadmin. Here you can find the config file. Open that file. How to change the port number. Here follow my steps. Remove this address and type localhost here. Localhost : here you have to type the port number. I will show you how to get the port number. Just go to your XAMPP server. In that, click on config. In here, service and port settings. Here click on MySQL. The port number is 3307. Save it. Here after localhost : type 3307 and save the file. Now go to the browser and refresh. Try to access phpmyadmin.